morning, students. Today, topic is microbiology. Microbiology. What is a microbiology? Microbiology is study of microorganism. Study of microorganism. This microorganism invisible to naked eye, only visible into the microscope. This all organisms is a microscopic. ఇవి ఇన్విజిబుల్గా ఉంటాయి, డైరెక్ట్ మనం కాంటాక్ట్లో చూసేదానికి ఇన్విజిబుల్లో ఉంటాయి. ఎప్పుడు ఇవి విజిబుల్లో ఉంటాయి అంటే microscope, by the help of, we will see this type of organism by the help of microscope, electron microscope, some of the compound microscopes. The electron microscope and the compound microscope see in the microorganisms. మనం లాస్ట్ లెసన్లో చూస్తే ప్లాంట్ ఫిజియాలజీ, ఈ లెసను ఏం జరుగుతుంది అంటే ప్లాంట్స్ యొక్క సిస్టమ్స్, వాటి యొక్క సర్క్యులేటరీ సిస్టమ్స్ కానీ, రెస్పిరేటరీ సిస్టమ్స్ కానీ, photosynthesis system కానీ, different types of systems contained in a plant physiology. Next to microbiology. ఈ మైక్రోబయాలజీ నేను చూసామండి. In this microbiology, in our syllabus, 6 marks question. The microbiology contains a bacteria and virus. Bacteria and viruses. So, microorganisms ni Louis Pasteur, Leeuwenhoek, Robert Koch, the all type scientists are described different types of microorganisms. In this lesson, the microbiology in the second unit, in this lesson, one is bacteria. And second one is viruses. So two types of lessons in the one group patalu, bacteria, virus. దీనిలో వచ్చి మనకు ఈ లెసన్లో వచ్చి 6 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. 1 4 marks question and 1 2 marks question. So totally 6 marks contains in this lesson. So దీంట్లో 2 marks వస్తే, దీంట్లో 4 marks, దీంట్లో 4 marks వస్తే, దీంట్లో 2 marks. ఇలా based on the weightage. Next one, the microbiology. Bacteria. bacteria survive all type of conditions. The bacteria survive all type of conditions, weather conditions. So it survive pathogenicities of plants, animals and human beings. It's a bacteria are pathogenicities of animals, plants and human beings. The bacteria, some of the bacteria to tolerate acidic conditions. The type of bacteria is called acidophils. Some of the bacteria to tolerate alkalic conditions. That type of bacteria is called alkalophilus. Some of the bacteria to tolerate heavy salt concentration. That type of bacteria is called halophytes. Acidophils, alkalophils, halophytes. What is the acidophils? Some of the bacteria are tolerate extreme acidic conditions. Some of the bacteria to tolerate extreme alkalic conditions. Some of the bacteria to tolerate extreme salt concentrations. So acidophils, alkalophils, halophytes. These are the bacteria. The first live cells observed 1901 Leeuwenhoek. The live cells is observed and in one Leeuwenhoek. These cells is described as animalcules. The cells are observed animalcule. So after that, the bacteria are development of theory is called Robert Koch. The bacteria development of theory described as Robert Koch. The first observed Antinova Leeuwenhoek. The type of cells is development of theory, Robert Koch. So, the size of bacteria. Size. It's all the bacteria are all type of bacteria. Some of the bacteria is associated into the root nodule. The type of system is called symbiotism. Some of the bacteria are associated into the root nodules. The type of system is called symbiotism. For example, the rhizobacter bacteria. So, the size of bacteria 0.5 to 1.0 width, 2.0 to 5.0 length, width to length, 0.5 నుంచి 1.0 వెడల్పు, లెంత్ వెడల్పు పొడవు ఉంటుంది. లెంత్ వచ్చేసి 2.5 to 5.5, 5.0, 0.5 to 1.0 విడ్త్ అనేది లో this type. Shape. The bacteria are generally different shapes based on the following types of based on the shapes. One is coccus. One is coccus. The second one is bacillus. The third one is spiral. Coccus, bacillus, spiral. The first one, coccus. The coccus single form is cocci. The coccus singular form is cocci. This type of bacteria, spherical shape. This type of bacteria, spherical shape. So based on the survive, the coccus are different types, 5 types. Based on the survive, the coccus are 5 types. One is monococcus. Second one is diplococcus. Third one is streptococcus. Fourth one is sarcino. And fifth one is staphylococcus. Monococcus, diplococcus, streptococcus, sarcino, staphylococcus. The monococcus survive single bacterial cell, cocci cells. The survive single coccus cells. That type of cells is the bacterial cells is called monococcus. It survive pair of spherical bacteria. Survive pair of spherical bacteria, diplococcus. Streptococcus, it survive chain-like structure. The spherical shape of bacteria, all bacterial cells attached to one cell to another cell look like a chain structure. That type of structure is called streptococcus. Sarcino, the spherical shape of bacteria, will survive 8 coccus-like structure. Survive 8. The cuboid structure. 8 spherical shape coccus arranged in cuboid structure. That type of shape is called sarcina. And last and final one, staphylococcus. The staphylococcus, the bacteria arranged in the grape bunch. The number of spherical shape of bacteria arranged in grape of bunch. ఒక grape బంచ్ లాగా ద్రాక్ష పళ్ళ గుత్తిలాగా అరేంజ్ చేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ మోనోకోకస్, సింగిల్ స్పెరికల్ బ్యాక్టీరియాస్ మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. డిప్లోకోకస్ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ స్పెరికల్ బ్యాక్టీరియాస్ ఉంటాయి. స్ట్రెప్టోకోకస్ చైన్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ స్పెరికల్ బ్యాక్టీరియా ఉంటాయి. The arrangement of all spherical cocci bacteria arranged in look like a chain like structure. That type of structures is called streptococcus. And sarcina, the eighth spherical shape of bacteria like a cuboid structure, that means sarcina. Staphylococcus, a bunch of grape-like structure. This is coccus, shape of coccus, based on the shape, different shapes. One is coccus, the spherical-like structure. Round ga unna vaatni cocci. Again, next one. Bacillus. The bacillus is a rod shape like structure. ఎలా ఉంటాయి? రాడ్ షేప్, కడ్డీలు మాదిరిగా ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ కడ్డీలు మాదిరిగా ఉన్న ఆ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ని బ్యాసిల్లస్. సో ఈ బ్యాసిల్లస్ అనేవి ఇవి కూడా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్. వన్ ఈజ్ మోనోబ్యాసిల్లస్, and second one is diplobacillus, and third one is streptobacillus. Monobacillus, diplobacillus, streptobacillus. The first one, monobacillus. The arrangement of bacillus like structure, the rod shape of structure is a single bacillus cells. It is a monobacillus. Based on the arrangement of single rod shape of like structures. Diplobacillus, the arrangement of pair of rod shaped structure. Pair of rod shaped structure is called diplobacillus. Streptobacillus means streptococcus in Japan. They look like the all single bacterial cells. The arrangement of one by one look like a chain-like structure, that is sarcino. It is a long rods like structure. The sarcino, strepto, mono, diplo, strepto. Coccus is తీసుకున్నాం, monococcus, diplococcus, streptococcus, sarcino and staphylococcus. Bacillus తీసుకున్నాం, monobacillus, diplobacillus, streptobacillus. Next one, spiral. Spiral. To twist one end, to twist it, the bacteria are twisted in one end to another end. A single twisted, it is called vibrios. A single twisted, the bacteria are twisted in single. Second one is the more than two or more than twists is called spirochetes. Spirochete. This is the twisted bacteria. Spiral. This is spiral. The spirochetes, so more than twists. One are the more one and two and above twists. Two are above twists is spirochetes, and the third one two twists is called spirillum. The twisted in two twists. First one vibrious, only one twisted. అలా తిరిగినట్టే ఉంటుంది. ఈ విధంగా look like a comma shaped like structures. That is vibrious. The spirochetes, so more than twisted. The spirillum. These are spiral. Vibrious, spirochete, spiral. Some of the bacteria to change the shape at the environmental conditions, to change the shape at the environmental condition, the type of bacteria, the type of shapes is called, bacteria is called pleomorphic bacteria. అంటే ఈ ప్లియోమార్ఫిక్ బ్యాక్టీరియా అనేది ఒక షేప్ అనేది ఉంది. ఆ రకమైన ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ కండిషన్ దగ్గర దాని షేప్ మాత్రం వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ విధంగా ఉన్న బ్యాక్టీరియాని మనం ప్లియోమార్ఫిక్ బ్యాక్టీరియా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అసిటోబ్యాక్టర్. Example, acetobacter. Based on these shapes, the bacteria are different types. One is cocci, and second one is bacillus, and third one is vibrios, spirals, and fourth one is pleomorphic bacteria. Pleomorphic bacteria. Next one, shape of the bacteria, structure of bacteria. Structure. The bacterial structure bacteria contains a cell wall. So, below the cell wall is one twisted layer is present. This type of layer is called mycoplasma. So, the bacteria contains flagellus. The bacteria contains flagellus. It also contains a natural DNA-like structure. So also contains a napped DNA-like structure, and also double-stranded extra chromosomal structure is called circular shape. Double-stranded extra chromosomal circular shape of structure is called plasmid. So also contains some of the bacteria contains a plasmid. It is a extra chromosomal structure. It is a extra chromosomal structure. So this also contains the another one is phylus. Phylus. So it is phylus, cell wall, mycoplasma, mesosome. Sorry. Mesosomes, the flagella, phylus, cell wall, mycoplasma, mesosome, flagella, double-stranded DNA structure. It is a naked DNA structure. It also contains extra chromosomal circular form of double-stranded DNA plasmid. Extra chromosomal circular form of double-stranded DNA is called plasmid. This is the structure of bacteria. Now, tomorrow we will discuss each and every part of the bacteria. Right? Thank you.